none of them no bad, them a pack up. Plus every gun when me have play pan like Desperado. When the rifle a bust pun boy, a straight gunshot in a face. People off the ball and run out them place. So tell them boy no stray, cause none of my dogs no play.
Bye in a what's up YouTube, it's your boy Tyrekevlogs aka The Reaction Boss. So we're back in with another video for you guys. Right now we have Chucky player official music video Trinidad. Them for know say with Trini Bumbuckle Bell but on that dude. So good in the bed. Turn up. Yo, like up the video, comment on the video. See your comment next video that I post, and I'll post every single day, numerous times for the day. This is the 5th video I made today, or the 6th. Last come, I post so much video I don't even know. But anyways, yes people. Song name now play. You ready for it? Subscribe if you're new. Follow me on Instagram. Please make sure you follow me on Instagram. We're trying to hit 10k followers on Instagram. When we reach 10k, we're gonna have some giveaways over there. I'm baiting. So run go over Instagram right now at Tyrekevlogs. Go follow me. You know where that go? Go see what I'm going for the video right now. Chucky, now play. Right, tune.
The following program is rated TV MALV. It contains strong language and violence. It is intended only for mature audiences.
Wow. 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 Trouble. Remember now, mature audiences only, cause I be toys, no kids. Okay? Run tune, let's chat things. Fresh the creator, big up yourself. I don't know that already.
You don't care. Why some of them boy feel them rampant?
Salute!
Me no see no boy with heart for day.
Yeah.
Say cardio. When the rifle a bust pun boy, a straight gunshot in a face. People off the ball and run out them place.
Yeah.
So tell them boy no stray, cause none of my dogs no play. We make it bust pun boy, a straight
gun. Well on. I be a bubinel. I be a bubinel. Me I say the video be a juvenile, be a younglings. You see me I say, I be a minors. But well on this, I'm going to the start of the video. Remember to react to Gully Bop. Nobody want to see that. Big up yourself though. The start of that video. Right? We see a youth in a people. Roll out in a march out with gun in a. Well on there. Yes, pause. What is going on right here? I be a younglings, them a two in a dog. Them are younger than me, you know that. Yo, go on.
You don't care. Why some of them boy feel them rampant? Me no see no boy with heart for day. Say cardio.
Alright then.
When the rifle a bust pun boy, a straight gunshot in a face. People off the ball and run out them place. So tell them boy no stray, cause none of my dogs no play. We make it bust pun boy, a straight gunshot in a face. People off the ball and run out them place. So tell them boy no stray, cause none of my dogs no play. Yeah. If me buck up on a man with a gun in a me and then that's a dead man, me no think twice. Me no fear man at all. Ask me mother from me small, them a call me the problem.
When he's small, let me call the problem child. The dog said if he buck up on a man with a gun in him and just no says a dead boy that. You see me I say, everything I get dirt right there so. That thing I make you know. Then You know I go on because I'm seeing that pan.
Evilest man in your scheme when a ball and scream when the rifle start to beat. People say the 7.6 are the best dentist, got the shot lick out your teeth. So tell them pussy them go on so none of them no bad them a pack up. Plus every gun
Them what if you go and do what? But the dog said don't to the evilest man in your scheme. Down to the evilest man in your scheme, people. I got balance grip, yo, go on.
me a play band like Desperado. When the rifle the best dentist got the shot lick out your teeth. So tell them pussy them go on so none of them no bad them a pack up. Plus every gun when me a play band like Desperado. When the rifle a bust pun boy, a straight gunshot in a face. People a fi ball and run out them place. So tell them boy no stray, cause none of my dogs no play. We make it bust pun boy, a straight gunshot in a face. People a fi ball and run out them place. So tell them boy no stray, cause none of my dogs no play. One press their flesh in a back and chest. Them never see a body where resemble mesh. When it come to murder,
never see a body resemble. Hold on, pause. I come in the visual, I like the visual. I say, I like look everything, I like edit up and thing it clean. I say, I say big up to Chucky too. Happy belated birthday to you, dog. I say, yeah man, big up yourself. But go on.
It gunshot in a face. People a fi ball and run out them place. So tell them boy no stray, cause none of my dogs no play. One press their flesh in a back and chest. Them never see a body where resemble mesh. When it come to murder, that we are the best. And if them no believe, tell them come test.
Try.
Cause them never see a brain fly without visa. And shot a ram for your face when it sound like bass. What come out of the speaker. But
you never see a brain fly without visa. Shut a ramp in your face like how the what? Like how I fly out of the speaker. Me have to run like a more get them lyrics. Them lyrics are not fly past me, so go on.
Them never see a brain fly without visa. And shut a ram for your face when it sound like bass. What come out of the speaker. Boom dum dum. So man and I keep on them.
That's the sound effect I got to. Boom boom boom. Because sound bass come out of the speaker. Boom 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 Buckley.
Murder time we a cause problem. So how them come a send threat to them know me run the place right. Rifle a bust from boy, a straight gunshot in a face. People a fi ball and run out them place. So tell them boy no stray, cause none of my dogs no play. We make it bust pun boy, a straight gunshot in a face. People a fi ball and run out them place. So tell them boy no stray, cause none of my dogs no play.
It's a good look, I like it, It's a good look.
Look how easy me murder them, murder them. Done king.
No, hold on, let me get this straight. So is this dude in training to become a militant bad man in the scheme or something? Can I start to see him walk out like him a graduate and thing instead of a graduation bad man class or something? Or a bad man academy. You see me? No, this man probably gonna cry with a gun there, man. This man probably gonna place a more as well going
to murder them. Head banger, we gon' murder them.
Yeah.
Fabi, yo, just pass me the key.
Not in her face. His song done? The video done too? Nah, one handed that because me not get everything. But you know what? It's a good look, yeah, man. But to all the videos start and end, me seriously would I get a little story at the end there for sure what my boy actually I do. Is it me I say, but we didn't get it, but that's off. You know, big up on yourself anyways. Time for checking out my video. Link to the original video will be down below in the description of this video. Go and check it out for yourself. Please make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. While you're watching the channel and you're not yet subscribed to the channel, so if you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Teeth your mother, your sister, your brother, your uncle, your auntie phone and subscribe. We're trying to hit 50k before end of January. Understand about 40k to end of the year, so subscribe right now. We're currently sitting at roughly 5k subscribers away. Roughly 5k. 5.5k to be exact. Away from 40k. So close the year off. So by the end of December, know that go. Peace out.